Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with my brand new Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Okay, so this device has stylus support and I have my Samsung Galaxy Note 10 here, and I will be testing out the stylus from my Note 10 to see how well it works on the S21 Ultra. If it works very well, then I will be using this and I will not be purchasing an official S Pen for the S21 Ultra. Okay, so let's go ahead and try it out. So right here, it brings up the air command. If I hover over the display here, it brings up the air command option. And then we have create notes, view all notes, smart select, screen write, live messages, AR doodle, translate, pen up, magnify, and glance. So let's go ahead and check out create note. Okay, so here we have the different pen sizes, and we also have pencil, and we also have different colors, and you can change the pencil width. Okay, so let's see how good it writes. Hi everyone. And like I said, you can change the colors of the pen tip. And then here you can erase whatever you have scribbled on the display. Here you can bring up the keyboard and you can type text. So please subscribe to my YouTube. Okay, so as you can see, so far it's working very good. View all notes, and these are the notes that I have created. Okay, smart select. Here you can actually create a screenshot and extract text or pin to screen. Also screen write, it'll take a screenshot and you can actually write on the screenshot. And once again, you can change the color of the pen tip. And erase. And then live messages. So see all the live messages you've created. Pick an image or video for the background. So if you have a video saved, you can pick a video. For the background. Or you can take a new picture or video to write on. So let's just take a picture. And then you can write on the picture or the video and then just hit done. Or if you make a mistake, you'd select this option, or you can simply delete it to start over. So as you can see, it's saving right there. when it saves in MP4 format. Hit done. Okay, I think I actually saved it twice there. And then there's AR Doodle. We can actually draw on your face. There's Translate. And there's a bunch of different languages for Translate. Then there's Pen Up. So here you can color, and there's a bunch of different coloring book options and pictures. You can create a live drawing, and there's also challenges. So let me just show you all the coloring book. So start coloring. You can choose any one of these to start coloring. So I'm going to choose the dog. Let me choose a nice color to color this dog. Orange. Oh, wait a minute. Purple. So you get the idea, guys. And once you've finished your drawing, colouring it in, just hit done. And then there's also Magnify as well. So you can magnify your drawing, or you can also magnify anywhere on the display. And you can also change the size from 150% to 200, 250%, or 300%. So you can see things a lot better. And then there's glance as well. Okay, so let me just go into the settings. If you go to advanced features, let me turn off Magnify. Okay, so if you go into advanced settings and SPEN, there's a bunch of different settings and options that you can enable or disable. Okay, so this one is a very useful one. Create note with pen button. So press and hold the pen button, then tap the screen twice with your S Pen to start a new note. Okay, so on the S Pen, you just press this button here. So press it, and just double tap, and it brings up the option here to create a new note. That's pretty much a shortcut type thing. So you just press the button, and it opens up the notes, and you can start creating a new note. So yeah, guys, this was just my video testing out the S Pen from my Note 10 to see how well it works on my S21 Ultra. I will not be buying an official pen. I'm just going to save myself some money. and use the S Pen from my Samsung Galaxy Note 10 on my S21 Ultra. It works very well, guys. Anyway, that's it for the video. Please do like the video, share the video. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I'm out. See you in the next video. Deuces.